Previously on DeFi Wisdom, we explored how to make your crypto work for you through a full-cycle wealth strategy that includes staking, liquid staking, borrowing, farming, and compounding, the very mechanics the financial elite use, now accessible to everyone. In that episode, we began by staking assets like Ethereum, Cosmos, or Solana to earn passive income while securing blockchain networks. We introduced liquid staking, where platforms like Lido or Rocket Pool give you a derivative tokens, like staked Ether, that continues to earn rewards while remaining usable elsewhere in DeFi. With that staked asset, you can borrow stablecoins using platforms like Aave or Maker, creating liquidity without selling your original crypto. That borrowed liquidity can then be deployed into yield farming on a DEX's platform, like Curve or Uniswap, where you earn both trading fees and platform token rewards. If done right, you can auto-compound the profits for exponential returns. We clarified the critical difference between APR and APY, showing you how real compound growth works, and how AI tools like 3Commas or cloud copy trading platforms can automate your dollar cost averaging or portfolio mirroring. We also covered how to identify and avoid fake yields and rug pulls by understanding where real yield comes from. This whole process sets the stage for infinite banking, where your assets stay productive, you borrow against them, and reinvest the borrowed funds, effectively cloning your capital in a loop. You're no longer just a crypto investor, you're becoming your own bank, multiplying $1 into multiple income streams without ever letting go of the principal. Now, in this episode, we're diving deeper into the importance of privacy and security in your financial strategies, especially as you grow your crypto portfolio. Privacy and anonymity are becoming increasingly important in the digital age, particularly in the cryptocurrency space. That's where Monero, XMR, comes into play. Monero stands out as one of the most robust, privacy-focused cryptocurrencies available. Unlike Bitcoin and other pseudonymous cryptocurrencies, Monero is designed to provide true privacy by default and also leverages advanced technologies like ring signatures, which mix your transaction with others to obscure its origin. Stealth addresses, which generate unique, one-time addresses for every transaction to prevent linking transactions to a public address, and Ring CT, Ring Confidential transactions, which hides the transaction amounts. Additionally, Monero employs Dandelion++, a protocol that conceals the IP addresses of users broadcasting transactions, adding another layer of anonymity. These features render Monero untraceable and unlinkable, ensuring that both the sender and recipient remain anonymous, making it highly resistant to blockchain analysis. Beyond its technical advantages, Monero benefits from a strong, decentralized development community that prioritizes user privacy and continuously updates the protocol to counter new surveillance technologies. Furthermore, Monero is fungible, meaning each unit of XMR is identical to another, as its transaction history is completely private. This is a significant contrast to Bitcoin, where coins can be tainted by their past use. To further enhance your financial privacy, consider securing your Monero or other cryptocurrencies using cold wallets, such as hardware wallets like Ledger or Trezor. These devices keep your private keys offline, safeguarding them from online threats like hacking or phishing. Cold wallets also reduce your exposure to centralized exchanges, which are often vulnerable to data breaches and regulatory scrutiny. For those seeking even greater financial privacy, exploring offshore strategies can be beneficial. Opening accounts in jurisdictions with strict privacy laws, such as Switzerland or Singapore, allows you to protect your assets while benefiting from crypto-friendly regulations. Offshore trusts and companies can provide additional layers of anonymity and asset protection, but it's crucial to remain compliant with your home country's laws to avoid legal issues. By integrating Monero's unmatched privacy features into your investment strategy, alongside staking, liquid staking, and farming, you can create a comprehensive approach to protecting your financial transactions and personal identity in an increasingly surveilled world. So as you embark on your journey to financial independence through crypto, remember that privacy and security are just as important as making gains. By implementing these strategies, you can not only grow your wealth but also protect it. If you found this episode valuable, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to DeFi Wisdom, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. The time has come.